Right guys, it's another day in the van. Watching Netflix. This little shit here has caused me a fucking nightmare. Yeah. He's in Lily's bed because Lily's been kidnapped by an evil witch of a mother. I don't care if this is in the video because it's true and everybody knows it's true. Anyway, yeah, doing a bit of editing in the van. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. It is a trip down memory lane and a trip around the Dream, which is located in St Helens, Merseyside. So make sure you give this a like and share it if you think anyone gives a shit. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome. It's Sunday. Is it the 7th? We've got Big Steve in the van and we're off on a little jolly. Today we're going to go and visit an ex-film location. Can you guess what it is? TV series filming location. It's a TV show famous in the 80s/90s. Famous for The Body Under the Patio and the first TV lesbian kiss. I think I'm sure about that.
Yeah, you're right.
So yeah, let's crack on. Anybody guess what it is yet? Oh, remember that Secret Weekend Away or something? That special spin-off, The Lost Weekend, with that Jane Danson. Right, we're going to ask everybody now, name one character out of this soap. You've got 5 seconds. And the one that comes to my mind is
Jimmy Garfield.
exactly who I was going to say. Yeah, Jimmy Corkill. So I think you all know now we're off to Brookside Close. What should I say? Brookside fucking Close. Steve's not doing his Scouse accent. He usually always does it, especially when we're robbing Grit. Right. I'm gonna park up here. Left. Quick mooch about. There we are, you all might remember, older viewers. Brookside Close. It's now just called Brookside, so that sign's rubbish. So yeah, just a quick trip out. Maybe you all know who lived in which house and where Mandy buried Trevor Jordache. Yeah. Some good times here. 1984 was Brookside start and 2003 was when it ended. We think the numbers have all changed for the houses, so I think that used to be number 10, which was Jimmy's. Mandy lived in the bungalow for a bit. That would have been 8, which is someone called Bev. Not too sure about everybody else. So about 12 years ago this was all derelict. Nobody lived here. It was completely flooded until someone bought it. Steve said 300 grand for the whole close. Yeah, it actually cost how much?
735,000 when it was derelict.
735 grand. Probably not worth it then.
Whole lot.
Just this bit or the whole street out there?
Just this.
2, 4, 6, 8, 11 houses. 100 and odd grand each.
3 days later.
Right guys, I'm with this fart machine or something, this Sprog person at Clockface Country Park. Never been here before. She's been here when she was roaming the streets with her mates. Dogs have been here. So yeah, we're gonna have a quick mooch around Clockface Country Park. I think we're gonna go on to the Dream after this. See you in a bit. Skimming Don't. That was a plank. Yes, 3. GoPro, stick your tongue back in. I mean, GoPro, stop video. I didn't want to come down here, but Lily's making me come down here because apparently it's creepy.
Very scary.
Very scary.
But it's cool.
I'm not going anywhere in mud. This is what Lily wears when she comes out. Mud shoes. You having a poo?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going back. There's nothing there. It's just mud. To nowhere. He's probably going home. Yeah, I'm going back. Lily can go down there. Yeah, path must lead out to the other side of the park, but yeah, it's not the direction I want to go. I thought he's going down. I can always watch you from here and go hi, hope you're happy, and then you can come back.
Oh yeah, it's proper orange down there.
What, we can eat them?
Not an orange, but just the water.
You can drink it, taste the Fanta.
Yeah. No, I am blue.
It's a bit of Scottish drink. What did you get from in there?
Pine coins.
Pound coins?
Pine coins.
Bang coins.
Pine. No, no.
Pine what?
Pine cones. Dad.
Pine?
Pine.
Oh my god, you made me say it.
Cones.
Not pine cones.
Pine cones.
Pine cones.
Pine cones.
Pine cones. Say it proper.
Pine cones.
Pine cones. You can't speak, guys. We've made it to the Dream. It is up there somewhere. Oh, we'll make Lily walk up to this path. The path right here. It's dead steep. I'm gonna do you. Go back to the Christmas video for that one. Jesus Christ. You ready to go up the path? You know what path it is?
Mental on bikes.
Do you want to race up it?
Yeah. I'll win.
Whatever, you wouldn't even get up there.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't. On your marks.
Wait.
Get set. Go. Where you going, Lily? See you later. Oh, the dad's still got it. He's 43 and he's just jogging. Why are you stopping? Let's let her catch up a bit. We are having a dream, it's at the top. Oh, let's go. That's what it thinks of you. We've made it to Big Ed. I'm knackered because we just ran up another hill. She started. I obviously finished it. So if you don't know, this is called the Dream. It's a Big Ed. It's supposed to be welcoming when you're coming down the M62, but you can't really see it. Probably because you don't. M62's over there somewhere. You can see it just at the top. So I'm guessing maybe the head itself has got its eyes closed to represent the Dream. Say hi to Lewis and Gary and Holly. They were here on Christmas Day, New Year's Day. On the floor it says Sutton Manor Dream and an off-centre star here. There's actually an off-centre star.